Never settle for an average oven. Instead, indulge yourself in this state-of-the-art Belling Kensington electric induction range cooker and experience a powerful cooking performance when using the hob or oven. With Link Plus Induction, it combines the front and back induction zones on the hob to create a larger cooking space, offering you a flexible cooking area to use a variety of pan shapes and sizes. With 3 available ovens, including 2 fanned ovens, a conventional oven and grill, there's plenty of space and flexibility to cook different meals at the same time. Perfect for busy families, preparing dinner is easier than ever. The storage compartment allows you to store trays, pots and pans for easy access. It's also a great way to stop your kitchen cupboards getting cluttered. Enjoy cooking with this Belling Kensington electric induction range cooker and fill your kitchen with colour thanks to its sleek red finish.